Welcome to Marine Data Solutions, your trusted provider for high-speed, reliable Starlink Maritime internet in Golden Isles, Florida. Whether you're anchored at a marina or cruising offshore, our cutting-edge solutions ensure uninterrupted connectivity for business, entertainment, and staying in touch. Why choose Marine Data Solutions? As an authorized Peplink Starlink solution provider, we offer fast, stable internet tailored for yachts, seamless integration with your yacht's communication systems, expert setup of Starlink high-performance systems, and 24/7 dedicated post-installation support. The benefits of Starlink Maritime plans include uninterrupted connectivity, even in remote offshore areas, high-speed internet for streaming, remote work and video calls, and durable, marine-grade equipment built for harsh conditions. From Fort Lauderdale to the Caribbean, our custom installation services include pre-installation assessments, professional Starlink system setup, and post-installation optimization. Get started today. We provide expert installations at premier marinas, including Bahia Mar Yachting Center, Safe Harbor Lauderdale Marine Center, and Marine Max Miami. Whether you need new installations, upgrades, or troubleshooting, our team is here to help. Upgrade your yacht's internet today. Contact Marine Data Solutions for the best Starlink Maritime plans in Golden Isles, Florida, and stay connected wherever you sail.